I'm in a serious dilemma. I really don't know which color to get. I already used the honey blonde ones. I don't know. I want to feel about that color, yeah. I wonder if it would fit me. Alright guys, so it's between this color, that color, or this color which I have used before. I really don't know, like one out of the three of them color here. I don't know though. I don't know. Really stressed. What are you doing? Let me see your pigtails. Let me see your pigtails. Aww. What are you doing?
But I'm looking for Kimberly. Thank you.
Turn. So.
Was he still talking to that other slut? The old one?
Fuck's sake.
Just tell me.
This girl is helpless.
You want me to tell you something? This is the truth. Because I see him. I talk to him. He misses you. Okay? But listen.
Tell her she want to hear you.
You have to be 100% invisible. I mean, he's on the monitors all the time, 24/7, okay? So we can't be in contact with anyone.
Alright.
Figure out.
Hey guys. Don't be judging my hair. Oh, I got my nails done last night. The design is it's okay, you know. Something that had a little Christmas vibe. And I missed red, so I had to go back to red. But I really like the stuff that she put down here. It's cute. I think it's kind of different on both fingers. Yeah. But I just finished my client. And I only have one client today. Today is Friday. I only have the one. I slept last night. I'm still tired, like same way. Oh my god, look at my gray hair. While, oh, gray hairs. Sorry. While I'm sitting here, I was contemplating if I'm ready to do my big chop now. So I think I might just I'm gonna do it now because I want to color my hair soon after this. But these parts here that are damaged, I can't really cut them like right now. I could probably make them stay because the ends are not that bad. It's just here, right? So I have to go wait until this grows, because if I cut it right here is where I'd have to cut it to, and that not gonna really make much sense to me. So I honestly don't have like a chop. It's just distinct parts of my hair that need to be trimmed or cut off. So that may I go do. You can see the straightness out here, so I'm gonna have to cut off all of this. So I think I'm just gonna film my big chop. Gonna film it, and yeah. So I'm graying on the sides of my head. Y'all know this one side of my head struggles to grow hair. It's been that way since I was born. So some people think that it's because of the styling, like how I style my hair, like I get alopecia. No, I was born with no hair on this side. So yeah. Oh, see, all of this I forgo, guys. Like all of this part, it just like give me anxiety. And I finally bought the coloring kit. I picked up the Cream of Nature one in cherries yesterday instead of the clear out textures and tones, which is what I normally use. So I'm gonna know if it's better or what, but I'm going to use that one because that's the one I bought. So I'm going to see if I can set up something to film my big chop. Yeah, I'm going to see if I can do that, and I'm gonna film that, and that's gonna be a separate video, so I'm probably going to link it up top in the iCards. But other than that, I guess I'll see you guys later. Alright guys, this is going to be the last clip of my hair, like this. And you guys can tell, like, it literally did. Like, look at that. I'm gonna have to cut all of this. I'm just going to eyeball it, wing it, and see how best I can cut it. But outside, sorry for the glare from the sun right this out. And I just woke up from a nap. Oh, I'm in my backyard. So yeah.
Did I give up? Was it too hard? Or was it too hard cause I just gave up? Just gave up. Did I sleep away the day cause I was tired? Or did I get tired cause I slept too much? Slept too much. We go up and down, we go up and down on this roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. We fall back sometimes, we fall back sometimes on this roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride. Roller coaster ride, roller coaster ride. In this roller coaster ride.
Alright guys, so I just cut it. I know I have like literally the perfect fro shape. So but I know what I'm gonna do with this. Like it was really damaged, like really damaged. I'm not even get all of them, so I'm gonna actually go back in and fine-tune some of those hairs that are sticking out like I have a perm. You see that? They're just sticking out like I have a perm, so I still have some cutting to do. It's a duo wash anyway, but I'm just glad I cut it, man. I feel so much better. It was weighing heavy on my mind. I still have some up here. You can feel it. You can literally feel the difference with the textures when it's damaged. I feel good. Yes. I'll show you guys in better lights tomorrow, but had to cut it. Okay, what do you think about my hair? What do you think about my hair? You like mommy short hair? You don't know? Guys, this is the total amount of hair that I cut off. Let me see if I can show you guys the serious damage that was there. You see this part? Look how straight that is. And I can barely see, but it's really straight, like damaged. Be a straight ear. But yeah, when I look at this, you see this? When I thought about it though, it wasn't really like a lot. I expected I had more hair than this on my head. Just to show you, it was really thinning and just damaged. Bye bye. I doubt you guys can see me. Good morning. I'm about to get, well, I'm already ready for work. I just washed my hair. I'm gonna show you guys the products that I washed with, and now I'm deep conditioning. I'm gonna be deep conditioning while I work. My client is already here, she's outside, so I am running like a little bit late. So I'm gonna go up and get something to eat now and then go there right quick and just do her and get ready for the next person. So trying to adjust to this hair length still, but I feel better about it, you know?
From it, I know that's the fashion now too.
Carissa.
I hope it's okay to talk about this. I'm just curious. Grace? She used to be this legendary preacher.
She was.
Thank you, Daddy. I wish I had heard her preach. Now here she's sitting. The choir usually enters through this hallway. Unless we're doing something special like Christmas when we come down the aisle. Hey.
Sophia's looking for you.
Oh, Carlton, this is my husband, Kevin.
I've heard a lot about you. Your wife is my new best friend. I hope that's going to be okay. Please take off my hands.
Kevin is director of outreach.
And soon to be daddy of two. Yeah, that's what she tells me. Well, those babies are going to be on the cover of something. I mean, baby Ebony, baby Essence.
Alright guys, I just finished working and I am about to go shower and wash my hair. Well, wash out the conditioner. It's itching a little bit. Oh, okay, so it's really soft. To be honest, this is like length for like a perfect fro. But you guys, like, this is my hair. Like, this is how my hair is supposed to look. Was supposed to look all along. I just hope it grows back, man, and like not in like a long time, because I feel really odd with this length. I currently have in this. Alright, this is what I deep condition with lately. It's really nice. Alright, so I washed with the Cream of Nature Mango and Shea Butter Moisturizing shampoo. And I will do an actual review on these soon. I followed that up with the conditioner. So they look the same. And I got these in Cherries in Maypen. Smell nice. Like, they smell really, really good. And then that deep conditioner smells awesome too. So that's why I kind of use those. But I'm going to rinse now. They've been, well, the deep conditioner and a little bit of the conditioner has been sitting on my hair from morning. I just kind of wanted to moisturize it. Like, really, really moisturize it. Before, oh god, my scalp just itchy. Before I go ahead and color, which I will probably be doing down in the 20s. So I feel like I'm gonna like just get some braiding here and put in some cornrows or something, cause I just want to like not manipulate it a lot right now, especially because there isn't much I can do with it anyway. It's short. It's mad short. It's mad short. I don't even think when I'm ready for putting back my locks in, I forgot to adhere to my hair. Most definitely. So I don't even know. I might just color it and make it stay, like, you know, with like a red fro. Ideally, my one can part it and slick it down and do like some finger waves or something. But things take time. Things take time, sis. Yeah.
Yeah.
Morning, everybody. I am so sleepy. It's late. It's like 2 to 11 or so. I'm getting sick. I feel fluish. My client just got here. I have an actual locking to do today, so that's what I'm going to be doing right now. My assistant came up to help me. So I made the process go a little bit faster, but I really just feel like I'm getting very sick, guys. So I'm not as vibesy today. But we're gonna start, you know. I'm gonna show you guys her hair. She has like shoulder length hair, and she's gonna lock it with human hair. Still getting used to this.
Yeah, You like cut off the end?
Yeah, I cut them. Yeah, look, my vlog. Alright, so first things first, guys. Most likely I forgot to cut off the mirror because it don't make sense to keep them. The roots are very thick. Yeah, but we need to lose them here because them don't make sense. So I'm gonna do that first.
Got off the wires. When I close my eyes, disconnected and tired. I see you, and I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me. It's just fired. It's just fired. Wrong, but I made it right. You came begging day and night. I don't wanna hit the bottom. Don't go out of your state of mind. I've been counting 1 to 10. I'll be back when you'll be down. With my music, I see. Yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. I see. Yeah, I see you go down. Yeah, I see you go down. And I know you keep asking me, flames and fire. I know you are done with me.
And guys, this is the hair that we used today. It's the Supreme Ultimate Plus Tangle Free 100% human hair. This is the style and color that we used on our hair today. And we used 6 packs to achieve the size and length that she was going for. It's usually 8 packs thereabout. And it comes in different lengths. This is 12-inch, but honestly they lied, because this it was like 8-inch. I've used the 8-inch before and it was the same result, same everything. It's usually 8 packs thereabout, but we ended up using 6 packs because her hair, the roots were very thick, so only needed to add hair to the ends. So that technique is the natural glam locks on actual hair. You guys know it can be done over locks, made before, or done like that on the spot. I'm so tired, but that's what we did. She got here at about 11, and it was like 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Basically I finished her at like 7:30, so that's like basically like 8.5 hours. So what will happen is her locking her hair that way is going to allow them to like just bud and just, they're going to lock so beautifully like you have no idea. Really and truly, hair is not hard to lock. Just don't trouble it and it will lock. So locks can be started from plaits, twists, anything. It's just the quickness that it locks with that usually allows persons to vary between whichever way they want to lock them hair. But if you do not need hair, I'll lock. So I did the interlocking. I just attached the human hair to her hair and then just interlocked it, and then, you know, so it had a very dready it's like the natural glam locks with human hair. Literally, they're made the same way. So yeah, I just can't wait to see how it progresses. I will document it and just make a detailed video for you guys. I'm very tired. It is now after 8. Yeah, I'm gonna go bed and eat, and I guess I'll talk to you guys tomorrow. Tomorrow I have a client in the morning, and then I'm gonna see if I can run some errands in the evening. Should I extend this vlog into tomorrow? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do that. I think I'm gonna do that and start another one the day after that. See you guys tomorrow, if anything. Guys, my second client is outside. I'm having lunch real quick. Unless I have some leftover mac and cheese. And then I'm gonna go do her hair. She's getting mid-back. Like the girl this morning got mid-back. But I saw her hair and her hair is natural and nice, so I'm gonna ease the part off, you know. I want to edit tonight. There's a lizard in my room. I'm really annoyed. Because I'm gone somewhere, I don't know which part I'm there. But I'm gonna finish, eat this, drink some water, and then go work. Guys, friends put friends on, so she have waistline. And her friend is now about to get me back. So this is her hair. Chris, how long you have them in now? 2 months. Turn on, see your front.
There's nowhere to go. I've been facing this problem for quite a while now. It's like anytime I go to the barber, damn.
Any other body parts you want to see?
Don't be dramatic.
I told you where I got the watch, right? The swap meet for $200, a $20,000 Rolex. Guy selling it thought it was a knockoff. Can you hear yourself, Robert? Do you know how dumb that story sounds? Just because you keep repeating it doesn't make it true. But it is true. You never thought your little girl would take that watch just for a trade for a bike, did you? Are your partner in crime's really pissed at you right now? I swear to God, I have absolutely no idea.
Hey guys, I only have like 1 minute and some change left on this to film a little bit. You guys know when we pull out the bonnet, it is bedtime, okay? Speaking of bonnets, I will be having bonnets for sale on on a new page. I want to make a new business page for my hair accessories and stuff. I'm going to be having some new stuff for sale for the new year because my natural glam babes have been complaining that they haven't been finding bonnets to fit all of their locks under. So I'm going to have some bonnets available for you guys to purchase. They're currently being made, and the fabric is much similar, like the same print as this. Funny enough, when I went into the store, I bought this one in a regular beauty supply, but when I went into the fabric store, I saw this and I was like, I like it though. So I'm working on some bonnets for you guys so that you can sleep comfortably with your locks, because I know it's kind of hard to find, you know, bonnets that fit everything under there, and definitely something that you guys can keep for a while as well. I'm gonna be closing out this vlog here just because I really want to edit this one and get it up as soon as possible. Please hit the subscribe button, drop me a comment, and thumbs up this video. I feel like I'm coming down with the flu or something. It came on earlier in the week and then it left, and then now it's just like, yeah, so my nose is burning. but don't know, I have a fight on. Tomorrow I have work again, so it's better I end this vlog and start a new one. So I'll just talk to you guys in my next vlog. Don't forget to hit subscribe, drop me a comment and thumbs up, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.